A wordy question for question 5. We've got Chris, Debbie and Errol, C, D, E, all sharing money in the ratio of 3 to 4 to 2. And we're told that Debbie gets £120. And then we've got to work out, because Chris is now going to give his share to Debbie and some of the money to Daryl and the new ratio. So it's a complicated thing. So let's get started with getting some of these facts sorted out. And this is probably done using the compartment method. So Debbie here in the middle gets £120. So that must be equally shared between these 4 compartments, represented by lines. So each compartment must contain £30. And because this has all been shared equally, all of these compartments, E's compartments and C's compartments, must also all contain £30. So we now know everybody's money. E must have received £60 and C must have received £90. And if we need it, the whole lot came to £270. So that's the full state of affairs before they start swapping money around. So Chris is giving some of his money away to both D and E. So we don't know how much money has been passed, but we do know that the new situation is 2 to 5 to 3. Now, the thing is about this new arrangement, if you add 2 and 5 and 3 up, you get an answer of 10. And I've represented that by 10 compartments below the C, D and E. So what's in each of the compartments? Well, what's in each of the compartments is 270, because that's one thing that hasn't changed. The total hasn't changed. And we're now dividing this by 10. And that equals to £27. So there's now £27 in all of these compartments individually. We're now in a position to answer the question. The question says, how much money did Chris give Errol? Given that Errol has only received money from Chris, he used to have 60, he now has £81. So the amount of money that flowed from Chris to Errol is 81 minus 60, which is £21. And that's the answer to question 5.